Okay guys, so ito yung Google Sheet, Google Docs. Okay, so ang gagawin ninyo is to look for your name. Ayan na yung instruction, nilagay ko na rin yung instruction. Piliin nyo yung question, tapos mag-insert kayo ng comment. No? Kaya naman, i-click nyo lang yung plus button. Nandito naman yung instruction sa second page. No? Nasa second page yung instruction. So what you do is to select your question and click on the comment. This will make you understand na merong comment dyan sa Google Docs. Okay, you can either, for example, for Miss Linda, kung ako si Miss Linda, sasagutin ko yung why is remote work becoming the norm? So, pagka ano ko nito, I can actually click on insert dito sa taas. Merong insert dito sa taas, no? Tapos click ko yung comment. Okay? After clicking on comment, yan, magta-type na ako ng sagot ko. Ganon. Then click on comment. Okay? I hope that's clear. So, please send me a message if meron kayong questions or if you did not understand the instruction.